We actually have a geneticist from the Baylor College of Medicine, where the gene mapping for Noah and Alexis took place. Dr. Lupski on the phone with us. So this is fascinating, I think, for everyone here to see this story. And a couple decades ago, this would have seemed like an outlandish idea. How do you go about mapping the genes and then actually figuring out a possible cure?
That's an incredibly important question and the real challenge, because each of us, you and I, everybody in the audience, has 3.5 million different variations that are unique to them and different from a reference sequence. So determining which of the variation plays a role is a challenge. And since we're still trying to understand a very high percentage, 80 to 90% of the genes, we still don't know what they do. This can be challenging, but there are methods to do it using computers and our understanding of the biology of some diseases.
So Dr. Sears, now if you have a child who's displaying symptoms of something that maybe doesn't fit a perfect diagnosis, are you thinking along these lines now?
Oh, I sure am now. I mean, especially because even just in the last couple of years, this has become so much more affordable. I mean, just a few years ago, it was very, very expensive, and now it's kind of more in the affordable range. And another year from now, it's going to be in the cheap range. This is really going to change a lot of kids' lives.
How do you two feel being pioneers?
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing, beyond what we could have ever thought of happening.
And when you all had your genes mapped and you started taking this medicine, did you know, could you tell almost immediately that there was a change? Did you notice that you felt better, felt stronger, felt different?
Yeah, personally, I could notice a lot of things. Like run, we could play, and we could do certain things that other kids could do.
There are three amazing elements of this story. The most amazing element to me is seeing the two of you doing so well. The perseverance of your parents, and of course the great work that Dr. Lupski and his colleagues are doing.
And moving into the future, you think of all the big problems we talk about that are genetically linked: cancer, heart disease, possibly autism, asthma. This is really going to open up our knowledge so much better for all these things, and more amazing cures on the way.
Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Thank you so much.